Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your weekly look at the markets. It is the 23rd of March. Let's take a little look at these New Zealand pairs. The Aussie New Zealand finally broke out. We've been watching this market for a few weeks. We had a buy signal here at 107.45. Now we had this trend line that was concerning us here. Now the price retraced for a couple of days. And as I said on the previous update, if we consolidate around a breakout area, that's bullish. And finally we got the green and then we pushed higher. We are reaching first profit target today, 109.07, which is a very, very nice profit indeed. But it all started for me when I was analysing this on the monthly chart. And if you take a look at the monthly, a lot of people don't go out to the monthly chart, and I suggest that you do, and look at the monthly and just see this lovely rounded bottom here. And so we've got this big trend line coming down the highs. Let's actually draw that for you correctly. Okay, so that's going to come in about 109, nearly 110, that trend line. Now, if we bust above that trend line, I can see this currency pair really taking off to these next profit targets on the pro trading system. So Aussie New Zealand, an absolute cracker, guys. It's been brilliant. If you take a look at the pound New Zealand, we were looking at this last night, looking at the white PTS, the white pro trading system here, it's giving us the heads up that we're consolidating. There's no volume, there's no move yet, and then suddenly, boom, we take off today. We buy the high, buy the breakout of yesterday, and then away we go. We got 196.61 as our profit target. So this looks really good. I'm loving these trades. The patience was the key here, just to sit and wait to make sure that we can, that we're positioned in this trade, and then boom, today we wake up. In the London session, we've already got that great big move, which is really nice. Okay, so I do think that we're going to see higher prices on Aussie New Zealand, pound New Zealand. I think these could be game changers, as in the trend. And you can see on the daily chart the way the markets come down. We get this big two-wave diagonal here, and this nice rounded bottom, higher highs and higher lows, and this breakout area. Boom, we break out, we go higher today. We got 205 and so on right up there that can be reached. Okay, so managing risk is the most important. Make sure you're not overloaded. It's not guaranteed to go up, but this is the one that I'm looking for more upside. And the euro yen, every Monday night, as I said before, we do Scan Club. Last night, Scan Club, we spoke about the trend predictor. Okay, right here. So the trend predictor, our red arrows telling us that the next day is going to be an up day. There's a green arrow telling the next day is going to be an up day. There's a green arrow telling the next day is going to be an up day. There's the red arrow telling us the next day is going to be a down day. So today is a down day. All right, so we had the red arrow yesterday. We knew that today would be a high probability chance that we would go down. This is virtually 80-point move today, which has been a great trade. Absolutely delighted on that move, and also delighted that students have got were well prepared for that trade, because we did that last night. All right, so Aussie New Zealand, pound New Zealand, I wouldn't pick both of them. I would go with one of them. And I think, the euro yen, and also I think with the euro yen here, I think we've got further to go, 127.66. And the reason why I think we've got further to go, because if you look at the weekly, we've got a two-wave short setting up here. And I think we could certainly see more downside on euro yen. Going to be an interesting time in the stock market as well, but we shall see whether we get a bit more of a deeper sell-off in stocks, especially with these yen pairs coming lower, that we may then see the yen strengthen, and we might see some weakness in some of the stock market indexes. Okay, all right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Give us a thumbs up. We're going to do this every Monday or Tuesday of the week, getting you ready for what's setting up for the rest of the week. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye now.